6 family in Kendall Square. Very, very rare. That's what we got over here, guys. On this video, I'm going to show you about how we acquired this property. Then I'm going to show you about what's the current condition of property. And the third thing is what we're going to do with this property. Come with me, let me show you guys. So this is 133 Fifth Street in Cambridge, right over here. We were already doing a project at 118 Spring Street, the 4 unit. The agent called me and he says, we already have 2 offers. Can you come up a little bit and get this deal? I told him, yes, I could do that, but what if you are playing with me and you could go back to those people? I don't want to play games, you know. I will be quick. I will make a decision right now, but the deal has to be mine. The agent told me on the phone that if you accept this price right now, the deal is yours and I can send you the offer and everything. I had to make that decision right there, right now, and I pounced on the deal and got this great deal over here. This building needs lot of work, you know, starting from the foundation. Then if you see all the floor joist over here, you can see the sag coming over here, and then the other side where they did the addition, it's kind of disjoint. The floor levels are separate. So there's a lot of framing work also involved. What we're going to be doing is almost doing like a new construction over here. There's a lot to be done over here, but that's nothing what we haven't done, and we are not scared. There were 6 units over here existing, but they were all 1 bedroom. There was a small room back over there. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening up a lot of the choppy layout over here, and then we created 2 nice sized bedrooms in each unit and a bathroom. So now instead of 1 bedroom each unit, the upstairs unit, we will be having 2 bedrooms each unit. And the first floor unit, where we're going to be adding the basement living space to, we might be able to squeeze in 3 bedrooms. So from 6 bedroom, now we are almost doubling more than 13 or 14 bedroom unit. So now from the saleability standpoint, we can sell it as a condo at a much higher price, and we can also sell it as a multifamily for an investor who's looking to invest in the Kendall Square area. We are very excited to show the progress about this project, what it is right now and what it's going to be. If you want to know more about it, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. I see you guys soon. Peace.